Today we're going to look at analytics for the final exam for ICT 511. First, we want to look at what constitutes web analytics. These analytics are information gathered about a person, business, or organization from online sources that could contain quantitative data that can be used as metrics to create KPIs. It could also contain qualitative data that provides context to the numerical information. Next, we're going to look at why businesses should be paying attention to their analytics and why they're important. Analytics and the data gathered have the potential to provide unbiased information about a business's performance. The biases involved typically come from the human element involved in compiling and interpreting the data. Analytics can also allow businesses to make fact-based changes rather than acting strictly on a gut instinct by being able to utilize a wide variety of information to learn more about the overall situation, as well as provide comparisons with previous time periods and possibly other businesses. As important as analytics are, there are also challenges that can be experienced when working with them. One of the biggest challenges that can be involved in analyzing data is figuring out how much data is appropriate to gather, store, and work with. To address this challenge, begin by creating a plan for new projects as well as changes in scope. Collect and store all of the data in an unfiltered view or database, and then develop specialized views for analysis to focus on specific metrics, which will in turn allow for the overall report to be created from these. The other challenge that is involved with analytics is that the technology is going to be constantly evolving and changing, and resting on one's laurels can result in no longer being competitive on an individual basis or at the company level. To address this challenge, it's important to first realize that change is inevitable, that it's part of being in the technology field. It's also important to be flexible and open to learning new systems and techniques. From an individual perspective, if you're unwilling to keep learning, you can find your skill set obsolete and irrelevant to companies. Finally, be a champion of these changes rather than fight against them. This can keep you ahead of the curve rather than trying to play catch up with new technologies.